Hi guys, today with Best Code we're going to be talking about width, height, delay, and rotation using one of our Best Code Model 88S continuous inkjet printers. So when we're talking about width, height, delay, and rotation, first thing we would do is hit the adjust button. That'll take us to our screen where it shows us the width, height, delay, and rotation. So first with width, we use this to adjust to accommodate the speed of our production. We always do this first. The faster the speed of your conveyor, the lower the width will be. And the slower speed of your conveyor, the higher width we do. So what we use is between 10 and 40 when we set them up. So right now we have a width of 15. If you hit the up and down arrows, you can see it does an increment of 1, or we go down increments of 1. But again, we were talking about 10 and 40. So if we hit the A key here, and we go down here, we can erase what we have here, and we could just punch in 40, and then we can hit the arrow again, and now we have a width of 40. So that is how we would do our width here. We're going to talk about delay next. What we're talking about with delay is how we're going to get our character centered on our product. Here I'm just using a cap for milk, and you can see it's centered. So if it's too far to the left or too far to the right, we're going to go ahead and add or subtract delay to make it centered on our product. And again, we could do it in increments of 1. We can minus increments of 1, or we can hit the key again, and we can erase that. And we can even add up to 10,000. But for here, I'm just going to show you, we'll do it up to 100 just to show you guys. And now you see your delay is at 100. Next, we're going to be talking about height. Height we use as an adjustment. It's a positioning of our head. So what we do is we position our head either high or low, depending on the size of the print that you want. So the further away that you have it, the bigger your print will be, your characters will be, and the lower the head is to your product, the smaller it will be. I usually think of it as like a fishtail. Again, the bigger the fishtail, the bigger the product. You're going to be taking the head farther away from your product or lowering it down to make it smaller. And then we use height as a way to fine tune it. And as you see again, we could just push the increments up or down to get our height. And our standard that I use when I set up a printer is anywhere between 6 and 9, but 7 is my good starting point. Last, we're going to talk about the rotation. We use rotation to accommodate the different direction of product, whether our conveyor is going right, left, or left to right, or upside down. So what we're doing is we can just turn this from normal, depending on how our character is coming out on our print. We can hit it to mirror it. We can hit it to flip it. We can hit it to mirror flip it. We can do normal. But again, as our print comes out, as a direction of the print, we may have to change the rotation to make it readable, our product for you. Thank you.